Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a fog lamp light. I forgot what it's called. You know, the fog lamp thingy. So we got the two new ones here. We got this with this basic brand from AutoZone, Sylvania. 9006 is my specific light. Yours might have a specific light too. If you go ahead and ask them what you're looking for and let them know the information, then they'll go ahead and tell you. Mine was 9006 for a 2003 Toyota Matrix XR. This was my old one. I guess it just so happened that it broke and there's no connection going to it, so my lamp didn't come on for this one. I also had a problem for this one over here. The wiring for it snapped right here, and I had to put new connectors on it and then put electrical tape over it, clamp it and stuff like that. I had to do a whole repair thing for it, but the connector connects back into the light and it works now, so that's good for this one. I just found out that the lamp itself broke. But what you want to do when you get it, when you go over to AutoZone and ask them, you get the part, they'll also ask you if you want bulb grease, and as you can see here, it protects it from moisture, which could come off your fingers. That's why it's a good thing to wear gloves. It prevents corrosion, and it's easy. I don't know why it says that. That's weird. But basically, you just rip it off, rip it out, put a little bit on. Try not to get your fingers on it, and then have it so that it's laying up, not touching anything. Alright, so I put the grease on. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Well, whatever. I put a little grease on. Just make sure you get a good layer on it, just the bulb itself. Then what you want to do next, get your bulb to where the connector port is, which is right here. This one right here. So for me, it's just the to pull it out and put it in, you just kind of put it in a position, a specific way, and it should slide in like that. Then you twist it so that it kind of locks into position. Basically just put it in a specific way. There's little tabs on the side of it, kind of see it, and then you twist it back to its normal position, which is straight down for me. And then, since this is an aftermarket connector, it does so happen that it connects into mine too. It's meant for a 1997 something GM, but I used it and put it on my Toyota. Couldn't find my actual part, but you just snap it in until you hear a snap, or you know that it's fitting and it's past the point on the little tab. Then test it out. Taking it out would be the exact same thing as putting it in. Just shimmy it out, basically. Turn it to the side. Take off the connector, turn it to the side, and then it'll come right out. But put on accessories, or on, my bad. And for me, this little button right here, and then I click it 2 times. Then my fog lamps are on. This new fog lamp working. The other one's working too, but that one's the next new one, so I'm just gonna switch it out. It's the exact same process, so I'll be showing you how to take it out right now. Just for reference, these are the old ones. These are what the originals should look like. At least I think they do. It has this tab on the side, and then these 2 tabs on these sides. It clicks in like this, right here. But yeah, So the new ones don't have this tab. They only have these connectors, which connects on this side. Still provides protection, so it's good. If not, you can just put electrical tape around the whole thing. So to take out your switch, your connector, it's gonna be this one. As I said before, it looks like that one right there, but I put a new one on, so mine's an aftermarket. But basically, there's let's see if I can get it. There's these tabs right here, and there will be a tab on this side in the middle, but mine's not here. Mine's the aftermarket, so mine only has ones on the side. I just pull outwards and then pull down, and it comes right out. Then to take out the lamp, wiggle it sideways and out. That one came out pretty easy. It's awesome. This one's still good, so I'll just put it to the side for now. I'll use the new one for color differences and stuff like that. I added the grease, just rubbed it all on the light itself. Then come back, put it in the exact same way you took it out. Twist it sideways. This one has a little bit of a resistance on it, but twist it sideways and it should point straight down. Grab your connector, plug it back in. Boom. Alright guys, so just as a better visual, this is the fog lamp that I replaced. As you can see, it has the lamp itself. It has a little metal part connecting to it, the rubber O-ring, and then the tabs that I was talking about that go in a specific direction. And you can see that these two are different size than this one, so it only goes in one way. This is the connector port. It has this little tab in the middle. That's very specific. There's a lot of different types of different connector harnesses that'll connect into the lamp. So you got to make sure you got the right one. Just make sure you ask. This one is a Sylvania too. This is the old broken one, so I'm just showing you for representation. Basically, when you do change the headlamp, you want to get your grease. Should look like that, just a little bit. That's a little too much, but make sure you're wearing gloves as you're rubbing it in, and then you plug it in and you just twist it in. Should fit. This is the connector. This is also specific too. This is OEM, so this came off the car. It has this little tab on it. Looks similar to this one. That's how it fits. It has the two connector ports. It has this rubber grommet on it. So does the aftermarket as well. And it also has this tab. This tab clicks onto this tab right here, like this, and snaps in. But this is positive, the positive cable, the negative cable. With the aftermarket pieces, the positive is purple and the negative is black. Black is usually always negative. But yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little something. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.